If you want to learn how to use Prezi as a beginner, this video will walk you through everything step by step in a simple way. We'll cover how to sign up, how to choose the right plan, how to create your first presentation, and how to use Prezi's zooming canvas to make your slides more engaging. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is go directly to the official Prezi website and create an account. This is the safest and easiest way to get started because you'll be using the real platform right from the beginning. Once you reach the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started option and follow the prompts to register with your email or Google account. If you want to use Prezi completely free, select the basic plan. This is a great option for beginners who want to explore the platform without paying up front. The free version still gives you a chance to create presentations, experiment with the layout, and understand how the tool works before you decide whether you want to upgrade later. After you log in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, click Create New Presentation. This is where your presentation journey begins, and Prezi will give you a few different ways to start depending on how much control you want over the design. If you want the fastest and easiest option, choose Create with AI. This is especially helpful if you do not want to stare at a blank screen wondering where to begin. Just give Prezi a descriptive title and a clear prompt, and the AI will automatically generate a layout, text ideas, images, and a visual theme based on your topic. This can save a lot of time and give you a strong starting point right away. If you already know the type of presentation you want to make, you can browse Prezi's categorized templates instead. You'll find sections like business, education, and marketing, which makes it much easier to find a structure that already fits your story. Templates are useful if you want a polished design without building everything from scratch. And if you prefer full creative control, you can start from scratch by choosing a blank white template. This gives you complete freedom to build your own presentation path, arrange your elements manually, and design every part exactly the way you want. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of Prezi, the zoom structure. Unlike traditional slide tools, Prezi uses a canvas-based layout where your presentation feels more like a visual journey. Think of the canvas overview as your main map. This is where your audience sees the big picture and understands how all of your ideas connect. On this canvas, you'll see planet topics. These are the visible circles or main sections that represent your subheadings. When you click on one of these topics, Prezi zooms deep into that section so you can focus on a specific part of your presentation. This zooming effect is what gives Prezi its unique and dynamic style. On the left side, you'll also notice the sidebar. This panel shows the sequential order or the path that the camera will follow during the presentation. If you ever want to change the order of your ideas, just drag and drop the items in this sidebar. That makes it very easy to rearrange the flow without rebuilding everything from scratch. Next, once you have your sections in place, you can double-click any default placeholder text box to begin typing your own content. This is where you replace the sample text with your own message. Then use the top toolbar to adjust the fonts, change the sizes, and match your brand colors. Even small style changes can make your presentation look more professional and easier to read. If you want to add more content, click the Insert menu at the top of your workspace. This opens up more tools and content options. You can upload files from your computer or use the integrated Unsplash stock library to find high-quality images that fit your topic. This is a great way to make your presentation more visual and more engaging. You can also use story blocks, which are pre-designed elements like timelines, charts, or goal sections. These are especially helpful when you need to organize complex information in a simple and clean way. Instead of building everything manually, you can drop in a story block and quickly create a more structured presentation. Once your presentation is ready, click the Present button in the top right corner to launch full-screen presentation mode. This lets you preview how everything will look for your audience and helps you make sure the zoom path, text, and visuals all flow correctly. And that's it! You now know how to use Prezi as a beginner, from creating an account to building a presentation and presenting it with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.